Hello and welcome. Let's look at this problem. So we want to solve the inequality negative x squared plus 6x minus 7 is bigger than or equal to 0 and write the solution in interval notation. Right, so we're going to, let's see, we have negative x squared plus 6x minus 7 is bigger than or equal to 0. Because this is negative, I'm going to multiply both sides by -1. Right? And we get positive x squared minus 6x plus 7. Because I multiply by a negative, I got to switch this around. So less than or equal to 0. Okay? Now I'm going to factor. We get x minus. Alright, so this does not work. It doesn't factor. So we're going to use the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have negative of -6 plus or minus -6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7 divided by 2 times 1. All right, so this is going to be 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 28 divided by 2. This is 6 plus or minus square root of, let's see, 36 minus 28. 8 divided by 2. So we have 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 2 over 2. Divide everything by 2, we get 3 plus or minus square root of 2. Okay, so we have 2 x-intercepts. All right, I'm going to put these on the number line. Okay, so let's figure out what they are. Okay, it helps. So 3 plus square root of 2. This is going to be about 4.4. And 3 minus square root of 2. This is 1.6. Alright, so I'm going to put 1.6 and 4.4. Okay? Now pick, so this kind of divides up our number line into 3 sections. I'm going to pick a value here, like x is 0, 1 here, x is 2, and 1 here, x is 5. Okay? I'm going to plug these numbers into here, and we need to figure out when the answers are negative. Okay, so if I plug in x is 0, I get 7, which is positive. So that doesn't work. If I plug in x is 2, I get 4 minus 12 plus 7. This gives me -1. Okay, so this is good. If I plug in x is 5, I get 25 minus 30 plus 7, which is positive, so this doesn't work. Okay, so we want the interval that will give me negative values, because this says less than or equal to 0. All right, so my answer is going to be between negative, like 1.6 and 4.4, but I'm going to use the exact values. So it's between 3 minus square root of 2 and 3 plus square root of 2. So we don't have to approximate. All right, and that's the answer.